Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to cook up a delicious meal using some leftover right there in your kitchen. Let's go cooking, guys. So we have here some leftover baked chicken that I deboned and I cut into small pieces. So here I have some butter. I am going to saute the chicken pieces first into the melted butter. And we are going to allow them to saute until we have some nice looking chicken pieces like this. Around this time I had some stir-fry veggie mix, that's about 2 cups. And I am going to allow this to saute until we don't see any liquid in the pot. We want all that water from the frozen pieces of veggie to all evaporated nicely before we go ahead and add the rest of things. So while that is going on, we have a few pieces of salmon bites that we are going to garnish when we finish. So here you can see our veggie and chicken saute nicely. All we have here is some butter. We don't have no water, so we're going to go ahead and add our rice. That's some leftover cold rice. That's about 3 cups, and we are going to give this a nice stir. So all left here to do now is to flavor up our fried rice. So to add more flavors, I am going to add some dry rosemary and thyme with some all-purpose seasoning. So we are going to give this a nice stir to make sure all the flavor is saturated right throughout our lovely fried rice. So here we have a beautiful dish, simple and delicious, made from some leftover baked chicken, some leftover rice, some vegetable in your fridge, flavored up with some herb and season all. And here we have it served up and garnished with some salmon bites. Beautiful dish, people.